Diane King Hall is with us. Thank you so much. Your thoughts on this name on the move?
Wow. I mean, really to the moon here for this one. Meta shares up, as you mentioned, more than 20% after reporting a beat in terms of both profit and revenue. The company adjusted earnings reported $5.33 a share. That was better than expected. Triple profit, $14 billion when you look at net income. So much better than expected. A record there. Revenue jumped, higher than $40 billion. So really just firing on all cylinders for Meta, Nicole. And you had, they did better with advertising revenue. That jumped 23% to more than $38 billion. It's continuing to draw in more eyeballs to stories and reels. That has really been a star player for the company. Oh, by the way, Meta also announced this $50 billion share buyback. And you'll recall it was the year of efficiency 2023 for Meta. Mark Zuckerberg, CEO, saying that he will continue to maintain a leaner structure. It just shows that the commitment to that is continuing and doubling down on that plan to maintain a lean company. And then its first ever dividend, announcing that this is really a kind of a coming age moment for Meta. This happens with mature companies. Them announcing a dividend is a big boost for the stock. And when you look at it year to date, it is up. So on the day, more than 20%, but year to date, 38%. And then when you look at it from a year ago, up more than 150%. So this stock really firing on all cylinders, heading towards a $500 target. And when you think about that, you have analysts boosting their targets on Meta. Citi raising it to 525 target. It's got a buy rating. Wolf raising their target to 530 a share. Also has an outperform rating. Goldman raising it to 500 a share, has a buy rating as well. Wedbush raising its target to 520 a share. So you see more runway for that stock right now based on those target increases. Nicole?
Yeah, I just saw an article that said Mark Zuckerberg has made more money this year than anyone else in the world following this surge with Meta. All right, let's get to Nvidia, another winner, another new high. This is the shoulda, woulda, coulda segment. Okay, tell me a little bit about
Right.
Nvidia.
I mean, look, it's that you can't get in the way of tech right now. It's that, what is that, the Tina, there is no alternative right now. So right now you're seeing shares of Nvidia higher by about 3.5% at the moment. You're continuing to see high after high for this stock. And this after Meta outperforms Amazon, both of those boosting the tech sector. So you're seeing some gains there in Nvidia. It just shows that Nvidia remains this leader in AI. Meta, of course, a customer of Nvidia, so it's helping to give some boost to Nvidia. And you're seeing other hardware stocks rise off the back of that. AMD has been higher, Broadcom marking gains. B of A boosted its target for Nvidia today, actually. B of A seeing $800 a share. That's the expectation for where Nvidia will go from Bank of America. They are looking for an increase of 3 to 5% when they report their quarterly results, which would be lower than what they've seen previously when you think about those double-digit beat and raise increases that Nvidia typically puts in. And so, they may bother some who are even more bullish on Nvidia, but still strength there and showing that this AI space, that Nvidia continues to be the leader and maintains a stronghold on that space, Nicole.
All right. Thank you for that. Unbelievable to see some of these names.
Right.
Everybody thinks about the Magnificent Seven. Still pretty magnificent. Thank you, Diane King Hall, markets correspondent.